Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to see Facebook password. Now, in the Facebook app, you will not be able to see your password unless you change it. Now, there's only one way for you to view or see your old password. So there's only one way for you to see your old password. That's if it was saved on your Google Password Manager. Now you just need to go back to your home screen, click on your Google browser, and at the top third option from the right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. You just need to tap on that and look for Google Password Manager. Now here, you will need to find your Facebook app or the facebook.com. Tap on it. Of course, it will ask for a password or a fingerprint. And there you go. I save a lot of password here. You just need to click on the eye icon to see the password. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.